Hello everyone. So tomorrow I have to make presentation. I found these two tools. I wanted to try them and I decided to try them with you. So let's go. Now the first tool is called Gamma. I just signed into Gamma and I have done a few trials before that just to give it a try, but now I will try it with you. What I want to do is they say that you have to go create new. After that you have to put continue, and this is the most popular one, so that's what I'm going to try. Now here it asks you, do you want presentation, do you want web page, document, or social? In my case right now I'm comparing presentation, so I'm going to try with the presentation mode, and it will give me 8 cards because I think that's the free version of it. And I already prepare just a short version to give them a prompt what kind of presentation I would like. So in my case, I have to make a presentation for business program, a mentorship impact on a business survival to the Economic Development Council, why mentorship matters, data-driven insights on business survival rates and economic growth. So at this point, what this tool says is we have to just press generate outline. And let's see what kind of suggestions it will give us. Obviously it is working. I think it right now what it did for us is it gave us outline. So the first slide, it recommends why mentorship matters, data-driven insights on business survival and economic growth. The second slide, it gives us outline, the business survival challenge, only 50% of small business survive past 5 years, lack of guidance and support cited as key factors, mentorship and powerful solution. That is fantastic. It gives us some metrics because we already asked to give us some metrics. We have economic impact here, beyond survival, thriving and mentorship. So it gave us already a very solid structure. So right now what we want to do is, and it asks us what kind of theme do you want. At this point I would like just to put generate on the bottom here and see what kind of ideas, because my understanding this tool can give us some visuals. So here we go. We did not select a color, so it goes with the dark color, of course, here. Wow, that's fantastic. I don't know whether you see that on your screens, but I love it. We will see it at the end. And of course I would like to compare this with another tool. Okay, let's see, how does it look so far? So why mentorship matters, data-driven insights on the business survival and economic growth. Mentorship is a crucial yet often overlooked. I think this is pretty much what it came with. The business survival challenge here. I love that presentation about 5 years. I like the pyramid that it came up with. The startup, half of all small businesses close to their doors within 5 years. So I like that. Mentorship, a power of solution. I love the visuals, guys. So I don't know, it took it a few seconds and look at that. Mentorship enhanced business performance. I love that. Broad economic benefit. I love that also. Call to action, investing in mentorship. I really love that call of action. So I really like it. I'm sure that you can create something else. Do you like it? You don't like it? That's pretty much what it shows us here. Let me see some of the buttons. Well, these are some of the card templates, probably if you would like to change some of the templates. So you do have some freedom of putting videos, embedded apps, or different charts, I'm sure. I like it. And now let's see the presentation mode. Wow, okay. It really works. So Let's exit this and let's try the other tool. I just signed in, so I have not worked at all with this tool. So you and I are together with that. It's a Prezi AI. I'm not sure how it is pronounced, but that's the way I'm pronouncing it. So we will go with new presentation, because I'm here also you have a few different options. I'm going to the presentation mode here, new presentation, and of course I want this to be created with AI, because that's what we're looking right now to help us speed up and be more effective. So our title, I just will put the title is, let's say, business mentorship, and this will be our title. I think Prezi so far makes us work a little bit more. And let's the topic, I'm just going to copy the instructions I gave to Gamma. And here you can upload PDF files, so that's maybe for some of you, maybe this is okay. And so we'll click the generate and let's see. Yeah, I would like you, after I show you that, I'm going to put in the description the links to both tools, and I want you to tell me which one do you like better. Okay, the background, we had something like similar to that, but I really like this palette better. So here, business program. Oh, here, this is a very, very nice picture it came up with. Oh, so this one is more, as soon as you click on the button on the bottom of your screen, it gives you zoom in. Okay, so that's pretty much the way you can pretty much present, and you can go line by line. I like that. It's a different feel, so it depends whether you like it or not. Okay, importance of support in the business. And let's see. Oh, it moves here. Okay. And then this is the role. So it breaks it down in 3 parts, and then it zooms in the individual slides. Okay. For me, this is a little bit more, it has a lot more wording than the other one, which again depends who is your audience. Make sure that you understand your audience before your presentation. So it's not bad, it's just different. So different feel. I like it. It's different. So okay, so let's go back. I just wanted to also see some other. Okay, now how? Go to the editor. So here, if we go to the editor on the bottom, here obviously we can edit some of the text if we don't like it. You can change the style, text, media, shape, story, blog. So you have freedom also here, compared to Gamma also. I mean, both of them have some freedom and some editing capabilities, which is great. Let me see here. Yeah, it's pretty much, this is like a PowerPoint. If you follow on your left side here, and you have 20 slides, which sometimes may be overkill. Again, who is your audience? Do you need more details? Is your audience scientific, or do they think more into, they would like you to deliver additional data? So it works great. Where Gamma, compared to Gamma, it's a little bit more flashy. Let me see whether I really don't like this black for some reason. So let's go with a little bit, blue is better. Let's see, I don't like this. Let's see, do we have blue or more neutral? Light, we want light. Okay, let's go with that. So it changed that. Okay. Now I like this one better. It gives, I mean, for me, it's better feel. Some people like the dark colors. I like this better. I like it. So in here, let me see whether you have capability of exporting. If we click here, let's see. Oh, there is a export button here. And you can export this to PDF, or you can export this to PowerPoint. So I will make the presentation. So I'm going to try exporting this to a PowerPoint presentation. Again, PDF also. It's acceptable. Let's see. It opens in PowerPoint. That is fantastic, guys. Let's see if the other tool allows us to do it. This is presenting notes, my library, animation. Let's see what the animation does. Oh, this is when you're zooming in or zooming out, so you can do some editing with that also. So all these buttons on the top are editing. And I'm checking. Oh, you can export that on PDF. So I'm assuming that the presentation, you have to make your presentation right on the screen. So that's, again, that is cool. And how do you just export? I'm just trying to figure out, navigate. For some of you who already are very familiar with this tool, I'm sorry, I hope you're watching this video just for entertainment. For some of you who are trying to learn with me, so be patient with me. Navigations, this is whether you want with mouse or with something else, I'm assuming. Mouse or track, whatever you decide. Remove the animation, so you can do that. Okay. So your presentation can be public. Or they gave us some options. Of course, if we want this to be public, we don't want this to be public, honestly. We're just playing around. Okay. So, and here I'm sure you can add collaborators. So if someone else, you're working on a project with somebody else, that's a cool feature. And preview. Okay, this is our preview. And if we press, so here on the bottom, that's the way we go forward. And it zooms in and out and goes through everything. Okay. So that is pretty much what I wanted to talk to you today and help you explore these two tools. I'm going to put the links on in the description of this video. So please let me know what are you struggling with, and I will try researching some tools and we can just go and explore it together. Or if I learn how to use it, I just will simply share it with you. Thank you.